Good morning, students. Today we are going to start exercise 11.3. Firstly, we will discuss some important formulas. First is total surface area of a cuboid, that is equal to 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Then curved surface area. Now in this situation, when you have to find the curved surface area, consider a room without floor and roof. Means cuboid is hollow. Cuboid है जो वो खाली है. या आप रूम कंसिडर कर सकते हो जिसकी छत और फ्लोर जो है, फर्श जो है वो नहीं है. मीन्स एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल्स ही है उसमें. क्लियर? दैट इज 2h इंटू एल प्लस बी. थर्ड इज टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूब इक्वल टू, सिमिलर है. अगर लेंथ ब्रेड्थ एंड हाइट सेम हो जाएगी क्यूब में, देखो क्यूब में लेंथ ब्रेड्थ एंड हाइट सेम होती है ना, जब आप इसमें पुट करोगे यू विल गेट 6a स्क्वायर. मीन्स टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूब इक्वल टू 6a. क्या है यहां पे? एज ऑफ क्यूब, 6a स्क्वायर. नेक्स्ट इज कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूब. कर्व सरफेस एरिया है, अब क्यूब का बताना है. दैट मीन्स कि 4 वॉल्स हैं, ठीक है, होलो है क्यूब. देन इट इज इक्वल टू 4a स्क्वायर. टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर 2 पाई आर आर प्लस एच एंड कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर 2 पाई आर एच. वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ इंटू हाइट. वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब एच क्यूब और ए क्यूब यू कैन से. Volume of cylinder pi r square h. Now let's start from question number 1. There are 2 cuboidal boxes as shown in the adjoining figure. Which box requires the lesser amount of material to make? Here is the given figure. Here are 2 cuboidal boxes. Cuboidal box A and cuboidal box B. We have to find which box requires less amount of material to make. अब अगर बॉक्स को बनाना है देखो तो कंप्लीटली कितना मटेरियल लग रहा है वो यूज होगा, तो टोटल सरफेस एरिया पता करोगे आप. इसकी लेंथ कितनी है? फर्स्टली ए पार्ट सॉल्व करेंगे. लेंथ इज 60 सेंटीमीटर, breadth is 40 centimeter and height is 50 centimeter. Total surface area of cuboidal box equal to 2lb plus bh plus h. You have to put the values 60 into 40 plus 40 into 50 plus 50 into 60. When you multiply you will get 2400 plus 2000 plus 3000. Add these, you will get 7400 into 2. Means 14,800 centimeter square is the total surface area of part A cuboidal box. Now part B box is in the shape of cube because length breadth height is same. So edge of box, that is the shape of a cube, equal to 50 centimeter. Total surface area of this box equal to 6a square. Now A is 50, means 60 into 50 whole square. 6 into 2500, 50 square becomes 2500. 50 into 50. Don't multiply it with 2. Okay? 50 square means you have to multiply 52 times. 50 into 50, 2500 into 6, 15,000 centimeter square. Now clearly cuboidal box in part A requires the lesser amount of material to make. That is the answer. Part A जो है cuboidal box जो part A का है उसको less amount चाहिए material की बनाने के लिए. Clear? Next is question number 2. A suitcase with measures 80 centimeter into 48 centimeter into 24 centimeter is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth How many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcases? Now measures means length into breadth into height of a suitcase is given. Now we know that the suitcase is of cuboidal shape. Then firstly, length of one suitcase is 80 centimeter, breadth of one suitcase 48 centimeter and height of one suitcase 24 centimeter. We will find total surface area of one suitcase. That means 2LB plus BH plus HL. वैसे ही solve कर लोगे जैसे क्वेश्चन 1 में solve किया. You will get 13,824 centimeter square. Now we have to cover 100 such suitcases. So total surface area of 100 suitcases we will find as 13,824 centimeter square into 100. 13,82,400 centimeter square 100 suitcases का total surface area आ गया. Now the width of tarpaulin cloth is given to be 96 centimeter. We have to find the length of the cloth. Now area of the tarpaulin cloth equal to length into breadth means length into 96 क्योंकि breadth given है हमें, and total surface area of 100 suitcases equal to area of tarpaulin cloth क्योंकि उनको कवर करने के लिए चाहिए. तो जितना यूज होगा tarpaulin cloth वो किसके इक्वल होगा, जितना टोटल सरफेस एरिया है 100 suitcases का. That is why we are taking it equal. Now length इधर ही रह जाएगी, breadth उधर जाके आ जाएगी, divide. When you divide you will get 14,400 centimeter. That is the length of the tarpaulin cloth. Now you have to change the length of the tarpaulin cloth into meters. Length of tarpaulin cloth equal to 14,400 centimeter. When you change it into meter, you have to divide by 100 because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 144 meter cloth is needed. Length of 144 meter length. इतने मीटर क्लोथ चाहिए. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. फाइंड द साइड ऑफ ए क्यूब हुज सरफेस एरिया इज 600 सेंटीमीटर square. Now surface area of cube is given to be 600 centimeter square. What is the formula? Formula is 6a square equal to 600. अब 6 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, लेफ्ट में राइट में जाके क्या हो जाएगा, डिवाइड. You will get a square equal to 100. If a square equal to 100, then square becomes square root on right hand side. Means a equal to square root of 100. What is the square root of 100? Square root of 100 is 10. Then side of cube equal to 10 centimeter. That is the answer. Next is question number 4. Rukhsar painted the outside of the cabinet of the measure 1 meter into 2 meter into 1.5 meter. This is the figure of the cabinet. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? कि bottom of the cabinet को छोड़ के अगर उसने पेंट करना है बाकी कैबिनेट को, तो कितना सरफेस एरिया कवर करना पड़ेगा. Now look at the figure carefully. Surface area of the cabinet is equal to surface area of 4 walls and the area of the roof, because bottom को छोड़ के हमने पेंट करना है. क्लियर. एक्सेप्ट द बॉटम ऑफ द कैबिनेट. देन सरफेस एरिया ऑफ कैबिनेट इक्वल टू surface area of 4 walls means 2HL plus B plus area of roof L plus B. Now length is 1 meter, breadth is 2 meter and length is 1 meter, breadth is 2 meter and height is 1.5 meter. Means 2 into 1.5 into 1 plus 2 plus 1 into 2. 1 into 2 becomes 2. 1 plus 2 in becomes 3. 2 into 1.5 into 3. That will become 9 meter square plus 2 meter square equal to 11 meter square. That is the answer. Next is question number 5. Daniel is painting the walls and ceiling of the cuboidal hall with length, breadth, height of 15 meter, 10 meter, 7 meter respectively. From each can of paint 100 meter square of area is painted. How many cans of paint will she need to paint the room? Surface area of cuboidal hall, surface area of 4 walls plus area of ceiling. Then 2HL plus B in plus L into B. You can mark here into, or you can also mark the dot, or you can read as L into B or LB. Now देखो height कितनी है, 7 centimeter, length 15 है and breadth is 10. Then 2 into 7 into 15 plus 10 plus 15 into 10, length into breadth है ना, it will become 150 meter square, and here 2 into 7, 15 plus 10 becomes 25. When you multiply these three, you will get 350 meter square. 350 meter square plus 150 meter square equal to 500 meter square. Now, from each can of paint 100 meter square of area is painted. So, number of cans for painting 100 meter square area equal to 1. For 1 meter square area 1 by 100, we have to find the number of cans for painting 500 meter square area. Then 1 by 100 into 500. When you cut both the zeros, you will get 5 cans. That is the answer.